Hey, actually, I just wanted to say that I love all your YouTube videos and that you're amazing. If you come to Spain, I hope you do, because you will, right? Well, if you do, come here. I'll be waiting for you. Promise. I don't care if I have to swim or if whatever I gotta do to get there. If you go to Barcelona, Madrid, because that's like principal places, I'll go swim. I don't care. I'll die trying. I'm so going to see you, man. Just so excited. Well, hope you have a great day and that you have fun with the rest of your concerts, and see you soon or whatever. You're awesome.